Huh? What's this? Under the tree. Is that a package? For me? Let's take a look at what this is. Cob LED grow light. Oh my gosh! It's my new grow light from GrowStar! Awesome! Hey guys, I'd like to tell you about another new sponsorship here to the Urban Garden. GrowStar reached out to me the other day and said that they'd like me to do a review on their 600 watt CREE Cob LED grow light. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It arrived in the mail just yesterday, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys. Okay, so let's pop this box open, guys, and take a look what we got in here. Okay, looks packaged pretty nicely with some dense styrene foam here. Yeah, we've got a warranty card here, and it is the S-Series high-powered LED grow light. And here is the manual. There is an S600, 1200, 18, and 2400 model. This is the S600 model. It is the 600 watt model. It has 2 cobs, and it also has 2 infrareds. And you can look this up on the GrowStar website and take a look. It comes with a nice little ratcheting hanger system here. Yeah, that's a nice little hanger there. That's actually nicer than most of the lights you get. And then it also has a wire hanger there, so you get the ratcheting system as well as your wire hangers. So that's great. And then you have your standard 3-prong USA cord in it. And it's packaged quite nice and neat. Has, let me pop it over here, 2 fans built in with the daisy chain, on-off switch. So your basic grow light with your Cob LEDs and your infrareds in there. So we will be having a series with this light coming up. I'll start by just throwing it in the mother tent just to get it going, and then later on down the line we'll do an actual run through with this light and see what this light has to do, because that's what we're about here in the Urban Garden, is giving everybody a fair shot. And you know, when generous sponsors reach out and they want us to check something out, we'll check it out for them, because that's what we do. We're an open, honest garden here, and GrowStar has let me know that you guys will receive a 20% discount on this, as well as the S1200 on Amazon. I will provide you the code down in the description. And then as well, they offer another discount, which will be down in the comments as well. And that is, they will be offering a 18% discount for one item, a 25% discount on 2 items, and for a limited time only, if you buy 3 items, they'll give you 30% off. Now that offer is only good through December 25th. So take advantage of that offer as soon as possible. 30% off through December 25th. 30% discount on 3 items. So that's pretty awesome by GrowStar. With that, guys, look out for the upcoming series with this light. And as well, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.